Hi everyone and welcome back to PardesLine. My last video was exactly 3 months ago. During this time, I've just developed a huge revolution in 3D computer vision. In fact, I've developed a platform for 3D vision developers and medical imaging researchers. So the first thing you need to know is how to get to this platform. So dev.pardesline.com. Here is a great animation when you can see an ice cream with a solid and you can observe it in wireframe. Question is, from where is this ice cream? Is originally from a 2D image converted to the 3D using Trellis deployed model in my platform. So let's now understand what this platform can offer to you. The first thing is to let you build a process algorithm using like a Simulink platform, when you have blocks and you can upload your data or you can use the data already implemented in the software. For example, here we have the Stanford Bunny Mesh, and then we want to apply to this Stanford Bunny Mesh a sign distance field. So I already this algorithm implemented with the parameters that I can change, I can modify, and can also collaborate and share with my colleagues. And then I can execute this algorithm and also extract the API. So when I execute this algorithm, I obtain exactly this bounding box with the voxels, and for each single voxel, I have the distance between the surface to this occupancy voxel. This is one example. We have several ones here. We have, for example, here ICP source to ICP target registration. So here we can see 2 point clouds, which is kind of same point cloud, but one is a part of the second one. It's not exactly the same one. And then we want to fuse them. We want to merge them. We want to do a rigid registration to get the transformation matrix. So we applied, in fact, the ICP iterative closest point algorithm with the Rosak algorithm already implemented. We can also apply some different parameters, for example, the voxel size, and then we get exactly the merging of the 2 point clouds. This is 2 examples of part of the platform. This platform offers several things. This is all the modules. We have also a MeshLab parity 3D viewer. We have an authentication. We have all the modules. We have a lot of dataset available. This is kind of domain that we can cover, the registration, volume and SDF, point cloud and mesh, LiDAR and stereo, detection analysis. We have several functions that can be used in this platform. For example, deformable registration, stereo and depth estimation, LiDAR, scene analysis, and so on. One module I have also added is to do labelization, meaning when we have a mesh or you have a point cloud or a LiDAR, we want to train a deep learning model, we need to have supervised learning. We need to have label on the data. So I can apply some colors on part of the mesh and then extract this mesh with a JSON or something else in order to prepare my data set. I have all the 3D data representation from the point cloud to the Gaussian splatting, which is ingoing. We have the mesh with the voxel grid and so on. We have also the option to get the local frame of an object from the 3D perspective position from only a 2D pose, a 2D photo, 2D image. Then we can have the 3D local frame. We have also other example of the Trellis already implemented model in the platform from the T mechanical. I remind that is from the 2D image. And also, as I know that most of the developers currently are working with, for example, Cloud Code and or maybe Cursor, so you can continue working with your environment and just be connected, in fact, to the plugin MCP server and also have access to all the API available in the backend, in the shared backend from the website platform, from the SaaS platform, and then also create projects, create pipeline, or just call some of them. For example, okay, let's start. I want you to create in the current directory a point cloud eagle from this MCP pipeline 3D vision and convert it to mesh using Poisson algorithm, then to search and so on. So I continue. As you can see in this platform, I just let the MCP server working. I just answer some response and then go ahead. So here we got the PLY, okay, the Eagle Point Cloud, which is the input. We got the GLB in mesh, and then we got also the .text and the PDF to present exactly the work which is done. So that's it for the MCP server. We have also all the modules at home, and you can also find again this video explaining exactly the algorithm which is inside this platform. And you have also access to another platform on the medical for the 3D registration. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's working. You can find here the pricing, and if you are from the 51st user, you have a discount about 70%, and if you are a student, you can have also 50% from the original pricing, of course. So if you are a 3D computer vision developer, or you are a medical imaging researcher or developer, you must use this platform. So subscribe it, and let's go on with the next video to the platform and to explain you exactly which module and each module how it's working. Thank you and see you soon.